Recurrent cold, recurrent sneezing, recurrent cough is a very common problem, and we have to understand that these patients can have allergy. So most of the patients keep on suffering again and again and again. One thing they can do is they can go for allergy test. So allergy test comes in three format: allergy test veg panel, allergy test non-veg panel, and allergy test dust panel. So allergy test veg panel will tell you the multiple number of foods you are allergic to. So if you can be allergic to almonds, cashew, palak, paneer, methi, or so many other different stuff, you can be allergic to. Allergic to egg, beef, mutton, chicken. It can also tell you or different allergies to some dust particles, specific dust particle also can become known by doing the allergy test. So you can do the allergy test. This is a blood test, one blood test, and can tell you you're allergic to what thing. You can simply avoid that particular food, avoid that, you can reduce that or completely stop that type of food, and your recurrent cold, sneezing, cough can significantly improve. So you can definitely go for the allergy veg panel test, non-veg panel test, and dust panel test. This is blood test. You can do that in any lab, and you can reduce, or maybe there will be a good chance to reduce your cough, cold, and sneezing, which is again and again bothering you. Thank you.